Want to generate stunning quote images programmatically? Today I will show you how to use Node.js and Canvas library to create Instagram ready graphics in just few steps. So let's get started. We start by importing Canvas library and the file system module. Canvas help us create images dynamically, while file system insert fs module saves them as files in our hard disk. First, we define a square canvas of 1080 by 1080 pixels, perfect for Instagram post. Then we load background image to make the code visually appealing. Each code gets a unique serial number displayed at the top left corner. We use a bold text for visibility and a color that complements the design. Long codes can be tricky to fit on a single line. We solve this by splitting the text into multiple lines, ensuring it looks clean and readable. Next, we render the formatted code text onto the canvas. A custom font and a line spacing make the design look elegant and professional. Finally, the image is saved locally using fs module. Each file is named based on code's serial number for easy organization. With everything in its place, we run the script. The codes are transformed into the beautiful images, ready to share on social media. And that's it. We just learned how to automate the creation of quote images with Node.js. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more coding tips. Thanks for watching.